Hello! Today's video is all about the real life rental struggle and I'm going to fix that in a very simple and creative way. So, here is the deal. What happened is the wall is painted during summer and it looks so bright and perfect. Now it covered in water stain and dull patches which is totally killing the vibe of my space. But instead of stressing over it, I thought why not revamp it in a renter friendly way? So, with just smart tricks and with creativity, I'll bring back this wall back to the life. So, if you are living in a rented apartment facing similar issue after rain, so stick around. I have got some simple, budget friendly, and aesthetic ideas coming your way.